channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today I'm going to show you guys how to dribble a basketball using 4 proper steps. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here are the 4 proper steps for dribbling a basketball. Number 1, using finger pads, okay? Now, if you don't know your finger pads, put your hands out. I want you to think of you like Spider-Man climbing a wall, okay? Slightly arch your fingertips or hand. So that's what you're gonna use. Number 2, you're gonna go ahead and get an athletic stance, which is feet shoulder width apart, slightly bending my knees. Number 3, you're gonna go ahead and dribble the ball below your waist. And number 4, you're gonna make sure you are looking forward so you can know where your basket is, your teammate, or where you're gonna be passing the ball next. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll go show you that dribble in action. All right, so now that we know the basics for how to dribble, now let me show you a couple different dribbles. Number 1 is your dominant hand. So your dominant hand is the hand that you normally write your name with, or the hand that you feel more confident using, okay? So I'm right-handed, is my dominant hand, so I'm gonna use my right hand. I'm gonna dribble, so I'm gonna dribble 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to use my non-dominant hand, the hand that feels slightly awkward, it does not feel so confident dribbling with, and that's going to be a left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go back and forth, practicing those dribbles, 3, 4, 5, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Notice that I'm dribbling on my waist level, I'm using my finger pads, and that I'm not looking directly at the ball, but I'm looking forward, okay? All right, so now that we got the hang of using our dominant hand, non-dominant hand, now I'm gonna do a crossover. Now this is a very fancy move that's pretty simple. Now I want you to think of a crossover as your ball making a V. I want you to find a spot in the middle of your body and you're gonna draw a V to the floor and back to your other hand. So it's just gonna go back and forth making that V. So I'll start with my dominant hand, dribble, find that middle spot to the left hand, and then I'll do the back, left to right. Back and forth, side to side. Again, once you get more comfortable, you can kind of settle yourself down, get a little bit lower, bending those knees, side to side, using your finger pads. Again, I'm not smacking the ball, okay? I'm just going nice and low, using my finger pads, side to side, making that V and that crossover, okay? Side to side. Great job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video on basic dribbling. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite part of the activity. What dribble do you prefer? Do you prefer your dominant or non-dominant hand? Why? Drop a comment down below. And also don't forget to use the hashtag #PSpot so I can see you in action doing these drills. All right? And as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.